You scrub that yellow ring at the waterline every weekend, and by Wednesday it's already ghosting back like you never touched it. That's not a cleaning failure. It's because hard water minerals fuse directly into microscopic pores in your porcelain glaze, so surface scrubbing only ever removes the top layer, while the bond underneath stays intact. There are 5 ways to break that bond permanently instead of managing it weekly, and the cheapest one costs about 15 cents and uses something you already have in your pantry. The oldest method traces back to ancient Rome. Stay with me to the end, because I'm walking through exactly how to make this the last time you ever scrub that ring. Toilet bowl cleaner brands profit from formulas built for weekly maintenance, not permanent mineral removal, because a bottle that actually solved the root cause would only need to be bought once. Citric acid's ability to dissolve calcium deposits has been documented since Roman-era metal and stone cleaning practices, and that's exactly the kind of one-time fix a billion-dollar toilet care category has no reason to put front and center on a bottle designed for repeat purchase. Fix number 1. Citric acid powder, 15 cents per treatment from a $4 bag that lasts months. Pour 1/4 cup citric acid powder directly into the bowl at the waterline, let sit for 4 hours, or overnight is even better. Citric acid chelates calcium and mineral compounds, physically pulling them off porcelain rather than just scrubbing over the surface, a chelation process documented in cleaning use since Roman civilization used citrus and vinegar-based acids around 100 BC. Scrub lightly after soaking, and the loosened mineral layer lifts almost instantly. Fix number 2. Undiluted white vinegar, 30 cents per treatment from a $3 gallon. Pour 2 cups directly around the waterline ring, let sit 6 to 8 hours, ideally overnight when the toilet won't be flushed. The acetic acid dissolves calcium carbonate deposits through the same descaling reaction that clears mineral buildup from a kettle, breaking the bond molecule by molecule rather than abrading the surface. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: scrubbing immediately after pouring in acid. The reaction needs hours of uninterrupted contact time to actually dissolve the mineral bond. Scrubbing early just spreads still bonded deposits around instead of removing them. Fix number 3. Pumice Stone, $6 for a stone lasting years, for stains that have already calcified into a hard crust. Wet the stone and the stain first, then gently rub in small circular motions. Pumice sits softer than porcelain glaze on the hardness scale, so it breaks apart mineral crust mechanically without scratching the surface the way steel wool does, making it the direct fix for buildup acid alone can't fully lift. Fix number 4. Borax and vinegar combined, 40 cents per treatment. Sprinkle 1/2 cup borax around the bowl. Follow with 1 cup vinegar. Let the reaction sit 20 minutes before scrubbing. Borax's alkaline mineral structure paired with vinegar's acidity tackles both mineral buildup and bacterial film simultaneously, covering stains regular single-ingredient treatments miss. Fix number 5. A citric acid tank tablet, 10 cents per tablet, dropped in weekly for permanent prevention. Once the ring is fully gone, 1 tablet per week keeps mineral concentration below the threshold needed for new bonding, stopping the cycle before it restarts instead of treating it after the fact. None of these methods reverse rust staining from iron-heavy well water, which needs a separate iron-specific treatment. Porcelain that's already lost its glaze from years of abrasive scrubbing also won't fully regain its original shine, no matter how long you soak it. Under $1 total for a full and permanent treatment versus $8 to $12 a month on bowl cleaner that never actually stops the ring from returning. If this finally explains why scrubbing never lasted, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me how often you're stuck scrubbing right now and which fix you're trying first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.